We divide 537 by 2 in long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 3 and it is 13. 2 times 6 is 12. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 7 and it is 17. 2 times 8 is 16. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number to put it down. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 537 divided by 2 is 268.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.